This thing's on rails, man, I'll be honest. Okay. Right folks, so a bit of deja vu. I'm back in Cardiff. A lot of you guys did enjoy that TCR video, and in that video you might have remembered me saying there's a TCR that might be coming back to review. It wasn't actually registered then, but as we can see, there it is in all its glory. It's now registered. It's probably the last MQB Golf that I've yet to drive. Done all of them, man. Edition 4E Club Sport S. There's actually a Club Sport S back there somewhere. I think it's a customer's car. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you do subscribe. But yeah, let's just get cracking. Park the M2 like a sales pitch bay. It looks kind of strange. There's just a line of performance golfs. Here's a TCR. I'm going to get the keys in a second. I knew I wasn't wrong when I drove in. Yeah, look at that. Club Sport S. That's the ultimate golf, guys. Trust me. Two-seater. We did a review on one of these about a few months ago. It's good that this is here so I can show you exactly what the best golf is. These have Cup 2s. Right folks, so we're here with the main man Adil again. You will remember him from the previous video, the T-Roc R1. Very familiar but also slightly different to what you normally get in a GTI. Got different kind of tartan style pattern, central stripe. Outside, I was just going to the spec before as well. I was saying this one is quite high spec, isn't it, Adil? Yeah. I mean, the Tornado Red's an option too.
Runs all the way to the back.
Yeah, it's nice seeing the mats as well.
Get this Alcantara on the door card, which is really nice.
Oh yeah.
Like
it is a very smart. I've actually noticed there's a Club Sport S down there.
Yeah.
When I was driving in, so it got me kind of excited, man. I was thinking, Adil's always got older cars there, man. Trust me. It's got the Pretorias on it. So it comes with DCC when you spec that, don't you?
DCC, it's like part of a sports pack. So with that you get DCC, the wheels, and you get the Cup 2 tyres as well.
Yeah, I mean those Cup 2 tyres, I really wanted to try them on like a dry day. It's raining for the rest of the week, yeah, so I think today's probably the best call. Yeah, so we'll find some good roads. All right, so there we go.
No stick this time.
No stick this time, as it should be. But yeah, it's IS38 turbo, just like a Golf R. This one makes around 290, doesn't it?
290,
yeah. So compared to its predecessor, which was the Edition 40, it's got a bit more power. In terms of styling, I'm still kind of split on whether I prefer it to the old Club Sport. But it's got its own appeal. I mean, the diffuser definitely kind of sets it apart. The diffuser's pretty crazy, isn't it?
The diffuser's massive.
Yeah. I just wish they put a wing on it or something like that to kind of balance it, but...
So it's got the same wing as the Performance Pack Golf R.
Yeah.
Really subtle.
I mean, it's decent if it's a normal GTI or R, but when you got this massive thing, yeah.
Something I found out as well, on the latest TCRs that they're making now,
oh yeah, the standard
is now standard.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
It used to be a £3,000 option.
It's good that they've put it standard now, standard at Krapovic. Kind of probably might sort of balance out the effects of the PPF, but we'll see anyway when we take it for a drive. I remember the T-Roc car, we found a few little things once we started driving it in it, so...
I've tested this already.
It's tested it already?
Yeah.
Mystery pops and bangs, mate. Yeah, it's still quite refined, isn't it? I'm sure once it's warmed up, got a few more miles on it. This one is a demonstrator, so they are actively using it. It's not actually the same engine as a normal GTI. They have a slightly different internals and the turbo smaller. It's the same engine as a Golf R, except it's front wheel drive. They do have a kind of electronically controlled diff. It's not exactly like a full LSD, but it's pretty decent. On the inside, you can't really tell it's got an Krapovic, to be fair. It's actually quieter than my S3 was. My totally standard S3 on it was an 8V2 pre-OPF, so probably had to put the Krapovic to make this sound kind of, you know, like there's something there, because it's a TCR model, so you have all the looks, you kind of want the sort of noise to go with it. But yeah, again, I'm not going to judge it whilst it's sitting here, because as we found with that T-Roc, man, it started sounding good once we started driving. We're in modes. Pretty decent. What we'll do, as the days are short in the UK, it's now what, about 1:30, we'll get cracking. Once we get there, we'll get the GoPros out, get you plenty of flybys, and yeah, just have a bit of fun with the TCR. Right folks, so we just went on a little drive. We're here in Brecon. Adil's just driving right now. We thought we'd take the TCR to a proper little, well, I wouldn't say little, but it's a proper road, and test out the Cup 2 tyres. Views are amazing. Makes a change from Birmingham. Views on views. Right, folks. First. Just got some go. Let's get ESC into sport. That was fully traction on. Second gear, ESC sport. Right, so finally got a little stretch now. We had a bit of traffic, so had to kind of, you know, get out here. We got lovely roads, but again, everyone probably wants to be here, so, you know, traffic is traffic. I'm gonna try and give you a nice idea of how these Cup 2s feel, but we've got more of like a long swooping kind of route here. There's no sort of tight hairpins or anything like that. But yeah, we're gonna make a good comparison to just a general MQB kind of thing. We've been around this thing before. Wow, stay in your lane, please. And the guy was smiling as well. It's like he's trolling us. Well, that bike's nice, isn't it? It's got a lot of grip. It just has. Yeah, that's impressive. It's a bit more sort of computerized than that Club Sport S I drove. That was, weirdly enough, a modern car that felt a lot more raw, which is probably part of the reason why people love that. But this thing's on rails, man, I'll be honest. Okay, it's definitely come alive now. I'll be honest, we've been driving around for about 40 minutes, just getting to here and going back and forth. I wasn't feeling it, but now I am. Sound has got enough compared to your normal GTI, but yeah, that's definitely an IS38 engine, man. It's like a Cooper, isn't it? They just keep pulling and pulling on the roll. I mean, my S3 and Rs, they feel fast, but then like they don't feel as light as these. Third, there's no real bangs and stuff. You do get them if you slow down or whatever, but you're not getting like gunshot bangs or anything. There's your overrun. I could do with an Alcantara wheel, I'll be honest, like the Club Sport Edition 40. But DCC, the ride is amazing. It is amazing. Brakes are decent too. I'm finding that I'm not really like realizing how quickly this picks up speed. It feels fast, no doubt, but then when you glance down, you're like, wow. See how it launches on this rod. Right foot on the brake. S1. That is very impressive. If you're on a road like this, this is a very good car. It's a very good car. But would I say it's anything different to what I've experienced before? Probably not. You probably have the same fun in a Cupra, that's the honest truth. But then some people don't want a Cupra, they want a Volkswagen, so I can understand that. But me, I'm just, you know, saying how it is, you know, like how they like to drive. It's the same car essentially. It'd be interesting to see how this drives on like normal super sports or something like that. But if it was me, I'll just put Pilot Sport 4S's on, then you get good sort of all-weather grip as well. And yeah, if you're all about your tyres and you live in a sunny place, and yeah, go for Cup 2s, but it's an expensive decision, I'm sure. Might as well hop out here. This review's just turning into half vlog, but you can't pass this up. I mean, look at this. It's just amazing, isn't it? Travel vlog and a TCR vlog, both in one. I mean, what do you guys think of the TCR? I mean, my thoughts are it's definitely a good car. Power's definitely there. It's a very capable car on the Cup 2 tyres. Of course, if you're going to go on a bit more of a wet kind of road or a bit more of a cambered road, you'll feel the wheel hop exactly how it's like in the Cooper 290s and 300s, and even the old Club Sport Edition 40, so it's the same kind of thing. But you can fix that with quite a few easy little mods. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you do drop a like on it if you did enjoy it, you know, and subscribe for a lot more content to come. Come and see Ardil as well as he's walking away. Cardiff, Volkswagen, Sinclair Group. If you need any info on the TCR and even the T-Roc car, make sure you guys go and check the T-Roc R video. That was kind of the first video we did of this kind of review series. If there's any other Volkswagens coming out, we'll get a review out on those. This was the last MQB, so I'm not too sure what else there is to cover, but we never know, there might be some more ideas. So get in the comments and let me know. But yeah guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.